What's up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. This is my 2020 desk tour for ultimate productivity, followed by a review of the iPad Pro. First, we'll take a look at the desk, which is a Realspace Magellan Performance 60-inch electric height adjustable standing desk. The width of this desk is perfect for anybody looking for a dual screen display or an ultra wide monitor. Next, we have the chair, which is a WorkPro 12,000 series ergonomic mesh fabric managerial mid-black chair. On top of the desk are a pair of Can-2 U2s and matte white. These speakers deliver incredible sound, which sound way better with the subwoofer. Can-2 actually has a matching subwoofer, but it's about $300. For me, I had a home theater subwoofer that was just sitting in the closet, so I decided to use that instead. Along the back side of the desk are the Philips Hue LED strips, which come with some pretty cool features, like as you see here, the lights synchronize with the screen. Underneath the display, I have the Google Home Mini, which can control the air conditioning and the light sequence. Next to the Google Home Mini, I have an Xbox One X controller for more casual gaming. Up next is the brains of the whole setup, which is an iBuy powered Ryzen 7 3800 build with a 3.9 GHz processor, matched with the 2070 Super GeForce RTX GPU, 32 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB SSD. For my displays, on the top I have an Acer Nitro VG27 WQHD 144Hz 2K display, and on the top I have a Samsung CFG 23.5-inch curved 144Hz quantum dot FreeSync gaming monitor. Behind the desk, I have two sets of headphones. One, the Audio-Technica ATH WS660BT, which offers incredible bass and 40 hours of battery life. For gaming, I use an old pair of Turtle Beach Air Force Stealth 700s that were originally for my PS4, but have been repurposed for PC. Now for the last object on my desk that's been crucial as a physician assistant student. This is the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, 256GB Wi-Fi only variant. As soon as you open the box, you can notice that there's just a high level of quality and build. You'll also know the screen brightness, which is capable of 600 nits and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. After admiring the sheer speed and beauty of the screen, you'll flip the device over, you'll see the speaker and power button. Volume up, volume down. The iconic Apple logo, magnets on the bottom, two more speaker grills, and a USB Type-C. The iPad Pro has been an absolute game changer for me as a first-year PA student. I have the access to watch a YouTube video on a certain topic, access my notes on a certain topic, and even pull up the Chrome and access secondary facts about said topic. Next, we have the Apple Pencil, and I feel like if you've already made a considerable investment to get the iPad Pro, you may as well go spend the extra $129 for the Apple Pencil. Reason being, a lot of the time people take notes passively and they don't get a lot out of it, but ensuring that you use a pencil gives you that feeling of actually writing on paper. And no more will I have to search for erasers, a bunch of different colors for pens and markers and highlighters and all that stuff. It's all provided here with the Apple Pencil. Another huge feature is the ability to search my notes for words. How many times have you had those super big 3-ring binders just full of pages of notes and you're trying to find one specific word, like here, mitochondria? Well, with the app called Notability, you can hit search. No matter how crappy your handwriting is, you can type in the words for mito and it'll find the word mitochondria in your text or your writing. In addition to saving on your back, I love the feature that you can highlight your textbook. You can add notes later, and by 2 taps on the pencil you can go back and erase so you don't leave the little pink stuff all over the place from your eraser. When it comes to size, the 12.9 is going to be better for somebody who wants to multitask, but if you want to carry this around clinic or around, you're probably going to want the 11-inch. Have you been searching for the iPad Pro? You'll notice that the 2020 just came out not too long ago. There's the 2019 is probably going to be cheaper discounted rate since this thing came out, and the only differences are a little small upgrade in the camera, the microphone, and you have a bit of a faster chip, but I would go with the 2019. In this clip, we can see the difference between the 2020 camera and the 2019 camera, and the size between 12.9 and 11-inch iPad Pro. Well, that wraps up my video for today, giving you a quick review on the iPad Pro 2019 and 2020, 12.9-inch versus 11-inch. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment below. And if you like this video, please feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.